Welcome to Harwoods Truck Centres tank testing facility, here for all of your road tanker needs. Licensed by Tank Safe Solutions, we are the first site outside of London to offer UKAS accredited and VCA appointed tank testing in the south of England. We use the latest gas technology for maximum efficiency and performance, reducing your downtime with safe, environmentally friendly testing and eliminating the risk of water-related contamination. Our specialist facilities are equipped to carry out all inspections and testing for vehicles carrying hazardous goods, including all 2-yearly vapour tightness testing, intermediate tank testing and 6-yearly periodic testing. With Harwoods, you can be confident in the sustained integrity of your equipment both inside and out. Our dedicated engineers are also accredited by the Freight Transport Association to issue safe load passes, ensuring your vehicles meet the standard requirements for admittance to the fuel loading terminals. Harwoods are committed to providing an excellent service with minimum downtime for our customers. To ensure this, we will provide 2 technicians for each tank test, reducing the need for extended visits or rebooking. We also stock a wide range of specialist components from various tank manufacturers, including Emco, Wheaton and Gardner Denver. So whatever equipment you use, we can get you back on the road quickly and with ease. In addition to tank testing, our 5-bay workshops can accommodate all of your other commercial vehicle requirements: safety inspections and servicing, MOTs and ADRs, brake roller testing, fabrication and hot work, and all diagnosis and repairs. We can also arrange to collect and deliver your vehicles at a time that suits you, or provide a courtesy car for your drivers. Call us today for a no-obligation chat about how we can help you in your business, whatever your fleet size. Harwoods Truck Centre, the South's first choice for your road tanker and commercial vehicle needs.